Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to block YouTube on iPad mini 7th generation. First of all, YouTube app should not be installed on this iPad before you actually block the YouTube, as you will have to do this anyway. So the next thing is we need to open the settings. In the settings you want to go to screen time. And then over here, before we actually move on, I recommend using the lock screen time settings in order to set up the password for this setting, so that whenever you try to change something in these options, you will need to provide a unique passcode. So if you have the lock screen time settings, then you can go to content and privacy restrictions. You want to make sure that this option is enabled. After that, go to store, web, Siri, and game center content. And then over here you will find apps. You want to choose this option and switch to 9+. So now if I open the App Store and if I try to go to YouTube in order to install it, you will see the information that it is not possible to actually download the app. As you can see, due to restrictions set for this device, this app cannot be downloaded. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!